In a classroom full of colors, questions, and curious little minds, there was one girl who loved to invent. Her name was SpikeySauce.
Today, I'm going to build the best invention ever.
SpikeySauce saw ideas where others saw scraps.
Maybe if I move this here.
A box was never just a box. A cup was never just a cup. And a problem was never just a problem.
No! Why won't it work?
SpikeySauce was smart. SpikeySauce was creative. But even creative thinkers can feel stuck.
Sunla?
Hello, SpikeySauce. I saw a bright thinker having a very big thinking moment.
It doesn't feel bright. It feels broken. Sometimes broken is where the next idea begins. But I tried it the right way. I tried harder. It still didn't work.
Then maybe we do not fix it the normal way.
To think outside the box, we look beyond the first idea. We think outside the norm. Big, bright ideas help your thinking transform.
What do you see?
A box. Look again. Wait, it could be a tunnel, or a ramp, or what if I turn it sideways?
Now your idea is growing.
I kept trying to make the marble jump over the gap.
And what could it do instead?
It could go under it!
That is thinking outside the box.
Oh no! Now it stops too soon! Another problem, another chance. Exactly! What if wind gives it a tiny push?
Trying again is brave, but trying differently is creative.
So one problem can have lots of answers? I did it!
And the world needs thinkers who can see more than one way.
A box is not just a box, and a problem is not the end. It's the beginning of a new idea. Now, let's think outside the box.
I had a little puzzle that I could not solve. I tried and tried again, but it just would not evolve. I pushed it left, I pushed it right. I tried it in the morning light, but then I stopped and scratched my head. A brand new idea popped instead. I turned it upside down to see, and suddenly it worked for me. Clap your hands, tap your nose. Sometimes answers hide where nobody knows. If one way doesn't work today, don't give up or walk away. Turn it, twist it, look once more. Your next idea might open the door. Be creative, be persistent. If you try something one way and it doesn't work, try it different. Think outside the box. Think outside the norm. You want to solve a problem, you can do it. Let ideas form. Be creative, be persistent. Try again with a twist of imagination. Think outside the box. Think outside the norm. Big bright ideas help your thinking transform. A tower made of blocks fell down. Crash! It tumbled to the ground. I built it tall, I built it wide, but it tipped every single time I tried. Then I thought, let's make it strong. Maybe my thinking was wrong all along. I built a base both big and wide. Now my tower stands with pride. Stomp your feet, spin around. New ideas can turn things around. Try a circle, try the square. Look for answers everywhere. Left or right or high or low. Your next idea might start to glow. Be creative, be persistent. If you try something one way and it doesn't work, try transform. Try something new. Big ideas start with you. Let your mind expand.